Hi, this is Bosse from Guava Muse, and this is my second video, and I'm hyped. And today we'll be making coffee soap. But before we start, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. What we'll be needing for our coffee soap are a lye and oils. The oils I'll be using are olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, and palm. Now, the next thing is pouring the lye into the water. Don't worry about the measurement, as they will be in the description below. You're going to pour this slowly and gently, ensuring that all the crystals dissolve. And make sure you do it in a well-ventilated area and you don't inhale the lye. First thing I'm going to do is check our temperature. So that's 136 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's 130. So that's fine. Next, I'm going to pour the lye slowly. And then I'm going to add sodium lactate. This helps the soap to come out of the mold easily. And then I'll stir. And then pulse. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Next thing I'm going to do is pour our coffee. We're going to do this quickly because once you add trace, and then next is to pour our soap into a mold. So now that my soap is in my mold, what I'm going to do is I'll put it in the garage for 24 hours. I'll bring it out tomorrow so we can all see what it looks like in the morning. So I'll see you in 24 hours. Ciao. Hi. It's the next day and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm sure you know why I'm happy. So this is why I'm happy. This is why we should be happy. So this is what the soap turned out to be. Look at that. You can see the coffee, the speckles there. Look at that. So I'm just gonna bring them all out from the mold. Yeah, man. And bam. And bam. And bam. Yeah. What I'm going to do is let it sit in the garage for 4 weeks to cure. And then it will be ready to use. I'm also going to give some to my friend to get some reviews or some advice. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.